This is the end of the Maumee Perrysburg fireworks. I believe it's the finale. It's 2010, and it's the Maumee Perrysburg fireworks. We actually are in Perrysburg, and this is our backyard. What we can see from it. I zoomed in a little bit there. A little bit.
Oh, thank you.
Now they look really small though.
Okay,
they're huge looking. Actually, I think it's right before the finale. It's 10:21. We thought it was the end, but maybe there's a couple more. Here we come, I think.
Maybe because it's 2010, they'll do it extra.
They didn't do it. They didn't. They didn't do it.
Neat. Here's the finale. We always know when it's done because we hear people start to cheer. And I think that was it. Last year they stopped and then they started again. If you see the flash, somebody's got an actual kite up in the sky. And that's it.